Hi guys! Welcome sa aking vlog. Ngayon, nandito ako sa Ascot, Bonifacio, Global City, Manila. Isa ako sa na-invite ni YouTube for YouTube Shopping Accelerator event for vloggers or content creators. So, may isa kasi akong vlog guys, yun yung Jubes vlog. So, kung kayo ay di pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking isang vlog, yun yung Jubes vlog. Mga informative vlog naman yung mga naandun sa isa kong YouTube. So, ito na yung pangalawa kong YouTube. So, mga raw videos or mga kung ano-ano lang na videos or daily lifestyle, mga travel at kung ano pa. So, yun yung mga content ko dito. So, kasama ko ngayon ang partner ko. Nagpasama talaga ako sa kanya kasi buntis ako at malayo ang Taguig kasi taga Teresa Rizal ako. Ang saya kasi na imbitahan tayo and it's a big opportunity na din kasi madami tayong natutunan at bukod doon is makapag-shopping tayo ng libre kasi it's a collaboration ni YouTube kay Shopee. Pagkadating pala namin dito guys, marami ng mga nakapila. So, ang dami kong nakikita dito ng mga vloggers, content creators na kilala sa TikTok. Pero di lang ako nagpa-picture guys dahil nahiya ako. So, mahiyain yung atin no? Charot.
Gusto mo kape?
Ikaw. Okay, video kita.
Doon tayo sa ano.
Sige.
So, bago mag-start yung event, of course, may pa-food muna si YouTube. So, kain muna tayo. Ano nga ba itong YouTube Shopping Accelerator event? So, ito ay isang event na inorganisa ng YouTube Shopping or Google Philippines para sa mga content creator, brands at media. Dayunin itong bigyan ng mabilis na crash course ang creators kung paano gamitin at kumita sa YouTube Shopping at affiliate tools. So, ang event na ito guys, tinutulungan ang mga creator na matutunan kung paano gamitin ang YouTube Shopping tools, affiliate links, product tagging sa videos, at live stream. Mga bagong monetization features dahil ang dami ng mga bago paano kumita gamit ang YouTube. So, makonvert ang content nila into income. After namin kumain, naglaro-laro na kami dito. So, nakaganda naman dito. Kahit matalo o manalo ka is may binibigay sila. So, kaya tinatawag itong YouTube Shopping. Dahil as a creator or vloggers, may binibigay silang mga giveaways. So, ayan, pag matalo ka, of course, hindi mo makukuha yung pinaka-grand prize. Pero, may binibigay pa rin si Shopee or kahit yung ibang brands dito.
Gumaganda ang paligid kung
Pinapakita din kung paano kumita kahit hindi pa malaking channel, makipag-network, at para din mabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na makilala ang iba pang creators, brands at saka yung YouTube representatives nila.
I've got a 3 lipstick from Maybelline.
Tinatawag din itong mini accelerator dahil accelerator program na nagpapabilis ng growth o monetization ng creator. Ito ay mini, mas maiksi at mas madali parang intro version. At saka para mas accessible para sa small at mid-sizes creators, hindi lang para sa malalaking YouTubers.
In this cozy kitchen, life feels complete. Let's start the day. Smile so wide with the warmth of the sun. Enjoy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go. With morning light and coffee glow. With love in my heart, I can't hesitate. The day is unfolding, let's make it bright. With morning light, everything feels right. Let's start the day with a smile so wide. With the warmth of the sun, enjoy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go. With morning light and coffee glow.
So ito na yung program guys na kung saan ituturo na sa kanila kung paano tayo mas kumita pa sa YouTube through affiliate kay Shopee. At saka pwede na tayong makapag-collab sa mga brands sa kanilang mga free sample, mga commissions at iba pa.
Hello everybody! Yes, welcome all to our YouTube shopping mini accelerator. This is the first mini accelerator. So guys, energy naman dyan. Come on guys, let's give it up for YouTube! And for you guys, mahirap nga pala round of applause because everyone's on their phones. You are all creators right here, right? So yes, this is really gonna be such a fun, jam-packed, high-value day. And I know excited na tayong lahat. Tama po ba? Yes? How excited are we? Yes? I love that. Yes, I'm Janina Chan. So excited to be your host as well. You know, we are all here to supercharge our shopping experiences and journey.
Okay, a little bit. Maybelline in the house. L'Oreal team, are you here? Yes. These are my favorite products, and I'm not just saying it because it's in the box. This is a new color, which I'm gonna spend some time on. We have some other stuff in here. You know, you guys make this unboxing thing look really easy, but all I can say is it's really hard to do this and engage with you. Give you all a big round of applause. I think you should all give ourselves a round of applause. It's incredible to be here, and I want to just say thank you for all of the efforts on a daily basis than all other platforms, including TikTok and including Meta, with 9 out of 10 activity is what is bringing them all here. So this is a group effort. This is why we're able to share these numbers. Your fans are also watching you on every type of screen that exists.
Alright, hello. Pwede bang lakasan niyo naman yung palakpak niyo? Medyo kinakabahan kasi ako eh. Can we get a louder round of applause, please? Alright, thank you. Wala nang kaba. Alright, again, good at different types of content. Right, we showed it a while ago na Sam had showed us that we are visible at different types of content platforms. So then the question becomes, okay, that's good and all, but how does shopping on Shorts actually look like? Right, so let me give a little bit of context. 20 seconds man yan, 3 minutes man yan. Basta mag-post lang kayo for the next 2 weeks. And then from there, we will track your performance. We will see who the top 10 sales drivers are and the top 10 view drivers. And just so it's clear,
Let's hear it. Up next, straight from our executives, we have, of course, the head of commercial for Shopee. We have Mr. Jack Ang and our YouTube partnership lead for Shopee, Jesse Chang, to tell us more.
So, at Shopee, our mission is to help you use per sales. Okay, so at this part, I will share our commission structures and how you can find the high commission products. Okay. Lastly, I will share with you.
Okay, let's give it up for Christian, PH!
Okay, so magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Christian Carmacay at mas kilala ko bilang Christian PH online. So, thank you. So, gaya sinabi ko, ako nga pala si Christian at I have 4.3 million subscribers sa aking YouTube channel and
Alright. Okay, smile everybody. Let's take this group photo first. Okay. Ayan na. Okay. Okay, let's make sure everybody fits. There's still more space here, or are we good there? Is it tight? Masigap ba dyan?
Ayan, after the program, so food trip na naman, may pa-food na naman si YouTube. After namin kumain guys, so ayan, pauwi na tayo. Paglabas namin, ayan, picture muna ako dyan. Ayan, thank you so much for watching guys. So kung kayo bago dito sa aking vlog, please consider to subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa aking mga vlog, joke na vlog. Thank you for watching!